On the left-hand side, go to Apps, search for ChatGPT, and click on the ChatGPT app. And what you're going to do is connect Canva to ChatGPT. So now you'll notice on the left-hand side, Canva is now part of my ChatGPT extension. So I can come over here and start asking ChatGPT to help me create a design. So for this particular example, I have an image and I'm just going to write. So I'm just going to give this prompt here and the above image as example for Canva GPT to create. So I'm just going to ask it to start creating an image that looks similar to this. So once it's done, it'll give you a few options you can choose and look at it. So you can open it directly in Canva. So this is the first option. The second option. The third option. And the fourth option. So overall, it doesn't look too bad. I can definitely come back over here and refine my prompt if I need to make it more the style that I want to portray. But you can keep refining this as much as you want, and you can let ChatGPT help you create the design instead of you having to create the design from scratch. So that's how you can harness ChatGPT and Canva to help create your designs. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.